Bob's the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got an extra spicy variety from Ace's Sriracha. So I thought I would do that today for you. You are welcome. You're all very special. I love that. So it's about, what is it, the 4th? So we're 4 days away from the big elections, and my God, everybody is spending money on ads and on crying out loud. Everybody's running ads here. You go. And there's just so many ads running right now. All the time. Everything. Online, on radio, like on TuneIn, on everything. It's just constant political ads, which is the way it goes. I mean, it's interesting. Some of them are pretty. It's like the Senate race is the biggest deal in Washington, I'd say. I mean, they're all important, but that one, the Patty Murray versus Tiffany Smiley one, is ridiculous. I was like, I will look up. I'm going to look up and see where they were born. Because it's like, if you're going to represent the state, you should know where, I guess. I mean, it really doesn't matter. As long as they're born in the country, they can move and stuff. Well, as it turns out, Patty Murray was born over in Bothell, which is like literally, I walk into Bothell almost every single day. It's really close. That's cool. So during one of the debates, Smiley did this. She did this big spiel about how going after Murray because she's been the senator for Washington, on this side, for like 30 years. She's a nice lady. I met her once. She's cool. And she's like, "You've been in there for too long. You've been doing this and that. You don't just work in Washington, D.C. You are Washington, D.C." So the lady who said that, she was born in Washington, D.C. She's not even born in Washington State. Doesn't say that on her campaign website. And also, I was just curious what her maiden name was. Nowhere to be found. Found a really weird website with a whole bunch of like statistical data about her too, and it was just like, I don't know how real that site was. It was very strange. But yeah. Yep. I don't know, I'm just feeling all sorts of loopy from being sick. My nose. I'm sick of the nose. But, yeah, I'm cooking noodles. My taste buds seem to be just fine. It's not the COVID. That's a plus. And, yeah. Hopefully it just doesn't start dumping rain like no tomorrow. That would be a bummer. But it's very possible that that's what's going to happen next. To be honest, I just kind of want a pizza. I don't know. I started playing some original Diablo with the Hellfire expansion this morning. That was fun. Because I feel so crummy that it's just like, I gotta do something other than what I'm doing currently. So, I might do some more of that later. I don't know. But I see our timer's running out. If you skipped over what I've been saying, you are a horrible, 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 horrible person. Just so you know. Anyways. What are we gonna put in? What are we gonna use? I think we can use. I gotta find the right bowl. I'm gonna go with this one. Here is a bowl. I can go over here and I am going to try out this extra spicy Sriracha ramen noodle soup. Noodle looks nice. It's actually, of the last one I tried, the chicken, it really reminded me of what ramen is like. Go. Noodles. Cheers. It burns my face a little. Alright, let's try the... Oh, that had a bit of heat there. There's our broth. Let's give that a slurp. Yeah, I really like the noodle. Very nice. It's got a very bright, kind of tomatoey sriracha hit, and then the aftertaste is more heat. It is extra spicy. I've got one more multi-pack they sent. They sent the chicken, the original, and the extra spicy, and I'm gonna guess that this is just the original with extra heat. You know, the heat has a little bit of bitterness to it, but that kind of fits because sriracha, I think, has a little bit of bitterness to it itself. Let's do our comb over. Come on. Alright. I don't think I'm going to do a whole heck of a lot with this. There's some spring onion. There's the blade of happiness. Klingon Blood Oath blade, because it's really easy to slice into your hand with this if you really wanted to. I, for one, don't like to slice into my own flesh. If you do, comment. No, don't comment below. But seek some advice from somebody, not me. Yeah. Don't cut your hand. Don't do that. No. No, sir. Alright, I'm going to run water over my hand. And the other hand as well. Whoa. Shizzle. And we'll do a little bit of sesame seed, not a lot. Crushed red pepper. Oh, have I even opened this? I haven't even opened this. Yeah. Oh, brand new crushed red pepper. Open. Here we go. Dust of that. And, you know, on things that taste like this, I really like fried onion. I'll go with that. Crispy onion from Fresh Express. Alright. So now you can sit back, relax, and watch it go. There you go. Thanks again for watching the next one. This is really unique. This is Mom's Dry Noodle with their wasabi almond sauce noodle with tapioca. So if you like bubble tea, the boba in bubble tea, those are large pieces of tapioca, and this has got it in it. So we will give that a try tomorrow on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you would push buttons, click things, and have a good one. Bye-bye.